Hi, I am Dr. Vishal Chugh. I am consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist at Radiant Skin Clinic, Civil Lines, Jaipur.
What should be an ideal skin routine?
Ideal skin care routine में आपको बहुत simple रखना है. See, your skin care should not be very costly, but it should be effective. So, cleansing your face, दिन में 2 बार चेहरा धोना, applying a moisturizer in the morning, over that putting an SPF, and at night washing your face again and putting a moisturizer. That should be an ideal skincare routine.
Okay. Is there any particular or the right way to wash a face?
Yes, it depends whether you have an oily face or dry face. If you have oily face, use a good face wash which contains, say, tea tree oil or salicylic acid. And if you have dry face, use gentle cleansers which are non-alcoholic. So washing it twice a day, morning and evening, that should be enough. And it depends on the age as well. Suppose you are less than 30 and between 25 to 30, probably you can keep a vitamin C serum at night. If you are greater than 30, you should use something called as retinols, which are anti-aging creams. Keep your skin soft, healthy and supple. See, I always not promote ki your skin should be a light, your color should be fair or something, but your skin should be always a healthy. So keeping a retinols at night will prevent the formation of fine lines and wrinkles to a great extent. That too if started at an early age group. So many people do ask for anti-aging creams after 15. So that is a bad idea. Till that time, more of the wrinkles have already started developing it. So around 28 to 30, it is the ideal time to start with the retinol serums at night.
What kind of product should be used and should not be used on a face or skin?
Okay. So you need to traditionally know your skin type first of all. Generally it is divided into oily and dry. So oily skin is generally shiny and greasy, and dry skin is skin which is flaky, itchy, and it is rough. And there is a third skin type called as combination skin, in which some areas are oily and some are dry. So your skin products should always depend on the type of the skin you have. So oily skin people should use something which is less creamy, which is non-oily, and it should be written on the product doesn't clog the pore.
Can you suggest some products?
So Cetaphil products, if you have ever heard, so they are non-comedogenic. So they are generally non-greasy.
And
Sebum products.
Like a dry skin or oil skin?
No, generally the whichever the good brand is, they have complete different set of products for oily skin and dry skin.
Okay.
So Cetaphil has a good range.
For
Which dry skin and oily
they
skin.
Have different products for dry skin and
Absolutely,
for like
absolutely.
oily skin.
Any good brand, they generally have different products for different skin types.
What other than Cetaphil?
There are products of a company called as Bioderma. There are products of something called as CeraVe. There are products of Sebamed. They generally are categorized as over the counter. I'm not talking about medicated products. We have a lot of different products which are very good for the skin. But I'm just for the general public, I'm telling you about the products which are available over the counter.
There are many brands who they are out in the market. They do big advertisement, and in the last पता चलता है कि they are not actually good for our skin. They are just fancy products. Are they good products? I mean, whatever.
See, as far as the skin goes, if your skin is normal, no harms in using these products. But if you have a sensitive skin, by sensitive skin, I mean if you use any product and it gives you an itchy sensation, that means you need to consult a dermatologist to get the right products for you. Not all over-the-counter products may be suitable for your skin type. Say I have a acne prone skin. So sometimes when you get a product like over the counter, like a Pond's cream laga rahe ho, say you are using a Vaseline, that is a bad idea. So your skin may break more after that. People who have oily skin, who have acne prone skin, something like Vaseline is a thick and a greasy product. So it will clog the pores and can lead to more acne. So if your skin is a greasy and oily, Vaseline should be a strict no-no. So again, many people use coconut oil on the face. Again, people who have oily and acne prone skin, it should be a strict no-no. Oils will clog your pore and lead to more acne.
Okay.
So
as in, it is good for people who have dry skin.
Absolutely.
It's not a good idea for people with an oily or greasy skin.
Absolutely.